60 over crest, 5 left max half long, 100. Thank you. Thank you. Right over crest, slowing into 4 right half long, 30. $20. 15. 10. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. 60 over crest, 5 left max half long, 100. Right over small crest, slowing into 4 right half long, 40. 6 right, 30 down, 4 left slowing long, 20 down, 2 right tightens in camber, and then 1 left long tightens, tightens in, then 1 left long tightens. Don't go in that hole, don't go in that hole. 46 right, 130, 3 left tightens into hairpin left. 3 left tightens, hairpin left here. Tightens into hairpin. 20, hairpin right. Into 4 right long cut, 60, hairpin left. 30. 5 right, into 4 left fast cut, 40, 5 left of a small crest cut, 20, 5 right max, 100 up mid, slow early, hairpin right deceptive, don't cut, slow early, hairpin right, where it's going there. 30, 5 left max continues for 80, into 6 right max, 60, 6 right plus over crest, slowing 40, care, 2 left long, don't cut late, into slowing, turn, 4 right, cut, immediate 2 left, don't cut, 4 right cut, immediate 2 left, don't cut, 40, 4 left long, logs don't cut, 40 turn, hairpin right, hairpin right. Good boy, 130, 1 left at lane, 1 left here, 30, 6 left over flat crest, 40, 4 left in, tightens over crest, don't cut, 60 down, hairpin left, open hairpin left long, into 1 right long tight, 1 right long tight, into 6 right, in over crest, into 4 left, 80, slow before crest, immediate hairpin right, 170 down mid, 4 left, don't cut, 150, care, 3 right, tightens in over crest, don't cut, 3 right here, tightens in, don't cut over crest, 40, 5 left, half long past junction, into 6 right, 60, big slow in, 1 left, tightens deceptive on the crest here, tightens in, keeps coming and tightens, 30, 5 right max long, 60, 6 left over bump, 80, 6 right plus over small flat crest, 45 left slowing continues for 100, tightens 2 left, tightens into 2 left, late slippy into 1 right half long, 1 right half long, into 3 left logs don't cut, 20, 1 left tightens, 1 left tightens, into 1 right tight, into 1 left opens logs don't cut, 1 left, 60 through post turn hairpin left, 20, 3 right in logs into 3 left stump inside, 20, 6 left long don't cut, into 6 right, into small flat crest mid long, 30, 5 right in past lane, 100, 6 right in over crest, 80 slowing turn, hairpin right tight, don't cut, 80. 130, flat crest mid, 250, logs continue, and it comes to a bus stop chicane on left. Going in between them 2 bales, looks quite tight the other side. Well done, well done. 150, plus, 150 logging, 6 left long, slippy maybe, 150, left slowing, small crest slow before immediate, 2 left plus, into 5 left long, 20, 6 right in over crest, coming down to Joel's, 40, 5 left tightens in over crest, don't cut Joel, 40 down, 5 right, 60 slowing, 5 right slowing, don't cut into 2 left, 5 right slowing, don't cut into 2 left, 3 right slowing, into hairpin right tightens, 40, 1 left, 40, 2 left long opens, 60 up mid, 6 right plus in over flat crest, 100, caution, middle of a big crest jump, 150 down, slow before, 5 right half long, tightens immediate hairpin. It's going to be lost in the dust, it's going to come hairpin. 60, 4 left plus, continues for 100, tightens to 2, 60, 6 left, 60, small crest into 3 left long, 3 left long, into 4 right, 200, small jump 20, 5 right, big slowing into 4 left slowing, turn hairpin right. So after the jump 20, 5 right slowing, 4 left slowing, turn hairpin right, stay neat. 40, 3 left, don't cut, 40 turn, 1 right, don't cut. 250 up mid. 4 right in over crest, 63 right. 4 right in, 63 right. 100 caution, 6 left continues, tightens for 100 to 2 left, into 2 left, don't cut over crest, 30 down, 5 right, max 40, 5 right long, into 6 left plus, over flat crest, 130, 6 left plus over crest, 40, 5 right half long, 20, 6 left over flat crest, cut, 40, 6 right plus, 80, 6 right plus long, 130 down, 3 right half long, 130 now to 3 right half long, 130, 2 left over crest past lane, 2 left over crest past lane, 150, 6 left plus, 80, 4 left, into 6 right, continues tightens for 100, continues and tightens for 100, 60 down, 5 right, 45 left long, 40, 4 left past shed, 100 slowing up mid, turn hairpin left, 100 turn hairpin left. Well done, good up there. 80, narrow ahead, turn hairpin right long, round barrier, tight. Might be Bales, yeah? They're there? No. Yeah. Sorry, you. Into 4 left, into 6 right max, 150 up mid, turn hairpin left, tightens. 200. Well done. 5 right slowing in, into 3 left tightens over junction, don't cut. 3 left tightens, don't cut. 130, up mid, 6 right max, 40, 6 left, continues 100, slowing into 3 left, slowing into 3. And then 5 right, 40, 6 left plus long, opens 44 right, 60 turn 3 right, 4 right, 60 turn tight 3 right, 40, 6 left plus, continues tightens for 130, then 35 right in past lane, 40, 6 left continues for 170, into 5 right over finish, and it's 200 after, 5 right. Well done. Yeah. Well done. Well done, Goon. Sorry about that, Goon. I thought I could see that those bales weren't there.
That's right.
We'll get Stevenson's time.